Planning a move from Ottawa to Granby? One of the first questions that comes up is simple. How much is this actually going to cost? The answer isn't one size fits all, but once you understand the numbers and what affects them, it gets a lot easier to plan and avoid surprises. Let's start with the real numbers. For a typical two-bedroom move from Ottawa to Granby, you're looking at around $1,300 at $2,600. That usually includes transportation, labor, and basic moving services. Compared to longer routes like Ottawa to Toronto or Quebec City, this route sits on the more affordable side, mainly because of the shorter distance. But, and this is important, that's just the baseline. So why does the price vary so much? It usually comes down to a few key factors. First, how much you're moving. A small apartment costs far less than a full house. Second, labor and time. More stairs, longer walking distances, or tight access points can increase hours and cost. Third, extra services like packing, storage, or handling fragile items. And finally, timing. Weekend or end-of-month moves are typically more expensive because demand is higher. Most moving companies calculate pricing based on a mix of distance, hours worked, and service level. Now here's some good news. This isn't a long, drawn-out move. Most Ottawa to Granby relocations are completed within 1 to 2 days, depending on scheduling and logistics. That means less waiting, fewer overnight delays, and a quicker transition into your new place. This is where a lot of people get caught off guard. Your base quote might look great, but additional costs can sneak in. Things like packing materials and boxes, stair or elevator fees, heavy item handling like pianos or safes, storage if your move-in date changes, even hourly rates can add up if there are delays or complications. For example, packing services alone can run $60 to $80 per hour per packer, so it's always worth asking for a full breakdown before booking. If you want to keep your costs under control, a few simple strategies go a long way. Pack as much as you can yourself. Declutter before the move. Less stuff means lower cost. And if your schedule allows it, try moving mid-month instead of peak dates. Even small adjustments like these can shave hundreds off your final bill. At the end of the day, moving from Ottawa to Granby doesn't have to be overwhelming or unpredictable. Once you understand the pricing and plan ahead, it becomes a lot more manageable. If you're preparing for your move, take the time to compare quotes and choose what works best for your situation.